Yes, we have a meeting. So I try to make sure everybody is intact, everything is going fine. I always ask what is their challenges, you know?
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
Women empowerment, and this is an area that we do work a lot, and I understand 100% what you're relating to, because I
Mhm.
remember that once my girlfriend, she owns a book publishing company, and
Mhm.
once we we have one client that she had 5 heart attacks, right? And she
Wow.
forgot about how to speak. She forgot, she lost all the friends. It was a woman from Nigeria,
Oh, wow.
Nigeria, her name Sadaobi.
Mhm.
And guess what happened? She published a book with us, Dead to be
Oh,
Imperfect. Yeah.
yeah.
And I remember when she told me, Harry, uh, live every single day of your life to your maximum potential, because you don't know when are you gonna die. So even that this
Exactly.
woman lost of the friend, that lose, even forgot how to drive and start
Oh, wow.
recuperating the English lesson, she have a very
Mhm.
strong message. She have a very powerful message.
Mhm.
And after she wrote the book, she has been speaking internationally. She got married.
Mhm.
We took into speaking tour to Dubai, and there
Nice.
she met her husband right now, which is even
Oh,
10 years younger
wow.
than her, few years
Oh, wow.
younger than her, and
Oh,
her whole
nice.
life turned around, really powerful,
Oh,
just because you give them that little thing that give
yeah.
them back the power. And I think your pro, especially when you have cancer
Yeah,
patients,
cancer patient.
that
Yeah.
people lose their hair because of the chemo and so on.
Yes, the follicle.
And people
Sometimes.
start to lose, the confidence in themselves, and they start to
Mhm.
feel that they're not good enough.
Yeah.
um, Something so little, a small
Mhm.
change, like, I don't know, publish a book, create a new
Mhm.
wig, and give them back the beauty and the confidence, can
Mhm.
be all these people need in order to get their life back. So,
Yeah,
how do
exactly.
you think that the mental health of you said that, every client that you serve is like a blessing, and I think
Mhm.
you even get paid with money, but you get paid with a better currency, with love, with appreciation, because you're giving that
Yeah.
this power to this woman. So when do you find out that it was more than extension what you were doing?
It's the joy I feel after I finish doing the job, you know, and the happiness in their face. The happiness in their face just give me joy inside me. Like, oh wow, so this is what they were lacking. And you know, when they sit on your chair, you're like a therapist. They
You need to
pour
listen all the
they pour
problems.
all their life story to you. So being an extension specialist or a wig maker or a professional in this business is not all about the hair or the money. It's all about being trying to listen to them, giving them their problem, trying to solve their problem for them. It's not all about the hair. And most times, sometimes I tell my clients, you are passing through a lot, and whatever you're passing through is affecting your hair. You know, we think the follicles are getting damaged, you're falling because of what you're passing through. So because whatever you eat, whatever you feel comes from here, goes through here. We have a 9 points, and everything comes back to here. You start thinking from there, and I tell them relax. Oh, Lee, I'm losing hair some days. Not that I'm even not. Some don't even have cancer. They don't even have alopecia in the nature. Nothing. But they are losing their hair. Their hair is becoming thinner and thinner just because of too much stress, too much problem in their life. And when they come to my chair and they sit down there, I just try to make them feel comfortable back. I try to advise them one way or the other. I try to let them know that in life is step by step. Living is one thing we always want to. It's better to live, like my friend always says, better to age than to die young. So it's always I always use that phrase for them that just live every moment, live for it, be relaxed, tranquila, take it easy, and just take one step at a time. And you see how everything will fall into place. And when they leave, they keep hugging me, they keep calling me, they keep recommending people for me. And sometimes when they have retreats, they call me to come and speak to the women to give them their confidence back. And just that alone makes me happy, because sometimes when I go to countries like the other time I went to Zanzibar, and I went to look for these women that they don't have, like, their husband left them, they don't have any family to take care of them, the widows. I try to encourage them. I try to give them the little support I can to build them back to be able to, because I do empowerment, and I empower some women, to bring, so I give them some money to start up something and make them feel good again. And at the end of the day, they called me, thank you. So that alone is just a joy for me. It's what makes me happy. And me doing it what makes me happy. I'm always happy doing it. So this is
How do you
what
keep
I do.
consistency? You have two locations. You have one location in Africa and the other location in Spain. So clearly you cannot be in both
No,
countries at
no,
the same time.
no, no.
And so how you keep consistency? How, because the biggest challenge in business is to expand
Mm.
and to
Yeah.
keep consistency, because I get it, that that when you're there,
Mm-hmm.
everybody is looking for you and they
Mm-hmm.
want, where is Lee? I want the Lee to do my hair. But well,
Mm-hmm.
if Lee is not there, how can you train someone like you? And how can you train someone like you, more than one person? And how can you train them in different countries? So how do you keep consistency? Because again, you saying that what you do, what your brand stands for, the culture
Mm-hmm.
of your business, is not
Mm-hmm.
only do hair stations. You actually
Mm-hmm.
um, nurture your
Nurture, yeah.
clients, listen to
Mm-hmm.
them, and
Mm-hmm.
try to
Solve
solve
their
the
problem.
problems by
Yeah.
giving them a look that they are more empowered. And some of them have been going through difficult situations like cancer, somebody else lost their
Mm-hmm.
head, somebody else, you know. For me,
Mm-hmm.
I'm overconfident. I'm bold, but I'm overconfident. Actually, my girlfriend, she's writing a book for me, Bold and Beautiful.
Oh, nice.
So I don't have, I don't have this
Yeah, nice.
problem
Yeah.
because I got a lot of confidence even if I'm bold, but I understand
Mm-hmm.
that not everyone is like this, and especially women, completely different.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have hair all your life and all of a sudden you have cancer and then you lose it,
Mm-hmm.
people
Mm-hmm.
might feel disempowered. So how you keep consistency in two different countries? What's your secret?
Okay, my secret, I would say God first, because without him, I don't know where I would have been by now. And secondly, I have a good manager, actually. I grow him to be what I want. He has been with me for 6 years already. And
Wow.
yes, and I have good staff. So
Wow, the great manager.
yeah,
Six
so
years.
every,
Wow. Which
yes,
one?
so
Where is
every,
this manager? In Spain or
no,
in
he's
Africa?
in Africa, he's in Nigeria.
Wow, in Nigeria. Wow.
Yeah. So every staff that work for me, I show them how to talk to clients, how to communicate with clients, how to work with clients, how to fix problem. And when they can't fix the problem, they call me and I try to fix it on video call. But most times, every month we always have a meeting. Every week, twice a week, no, once a week we have a meeting, and
Oh,
once a month
wow.
we
That's
we have a
amazing.
meeting. Yes, we have a meeting. So I try to make sure everybody is intact, everything is going fine. I try to I always ask what is their challenges. What are they passing through? What do they think that they need to improve in? And I always give them room to be open and to talk. Some
I
bosses
presume
don't
the
give that.
Nigerian location is really, really busy because I've been operating for
Yes,
so many years, no?
yes, yes, it's very,
Uh,
very busy. Very, very
how
busy.
many people work there?
8
Apart from
people.
your manager? Oh, my
Yeah.
goodness. Apart from your manager, 8 people.
Yes, it's like
Oh,
one stop.
wow.
It's a one-stop place to have the makeup, I have the nails,
Wow.
I have the stylist, and most of my stylists are guys actually. And so I,
Wow.
I
Really,
try
Paul?
my possible best to make them understand that. And I listen. One thing most owners of business don't do, they don't want to listen to their staff. They want what they say stand. And this is a
Mm.
big challenge, you know.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.